So you think about them, this book, we didn't call them the Bible. We out up if a day for the library, if a day science aisle, or if a day history, or if a day religion. Where if a day? We could find out. You know, say Christianity, Judaism, Islam. Then they call these three religions the Abrahamic religions. The reason why they call them Abrahamic religion be say, them more they stand Abraham in top. If that be the case, then if we find out say Abraham self, for the Bible inside, how they address him. Abraham then he be Christian, or he be Muslim, or he be Jew. Abraham how the Bible they address him. Moku pop, it go shock you. Moku read Genesis 14:13. Actually, Moku start from 12. And they took Lot and his possessions, the son of Abraham's brother, and they departed, and he was living in Sodom. And the fugitive came and told Abraham the Hebrew, make you chalk for there. You see the name they give Abraham. They say Abraham, it be what? It be Hebrew. Abraham no be Jew. They talk make you they hear. Abraham, they no be Muslim. Abraham, they no be Christian. Why? Because all these three things I mentioned, they must be religion. Abraham no start religion. No. Then call him Abraham the Hebrew. So I tell you, say Abraham, they no be Jew. We go find out the difference between Hebrew and Jew. Christianity, Islam, Judaism, these be religions. Abraham, they no be religion in the start. They call him Hebrew. Then what Abraham they start? If we pop the Bible inside, the Bible it talk us what then Abraham they start. Moku pop again. It go shock you. Moku read Genesis 12. What God talk Abraham. He call him, now what he tell him. He tell him say make he can't start religion, Moku pop. And Yahweh said to Abraham, go forth from your land, and from your birthplace, and from your father's house, to the land that I will show you, and I will make you into a great nation. I beg, make you pop am well. Verses 2 say, and I will make you into a great nation. You know the religion. The text no talk say, I will make you into a great religion. No, it say, I will make you into a great nation. Abraham no start religion. Moku pop, we dey go. He dey guy Joseph. Joseph go Potiphar house. Then Potiphar and wife one bed plus am. So he do sharp way wrong. What Potiphar and wife go talk? How he address Joseph? Moku read that one too. Genesis 39. Now it happened when she saw that he had left his garment in her hand and had fled outside, that she called to the people of her house, and she spoke to them, saying, look, he brought us a Hebrew man to mock us. You see, say Joseph, then they call him Jew. Because not Joseph, no be Jew. Joseph, he be Hebrew. So what be the difference between Jew and Hebrew? We go pop. You make you just follow me when they come. I be the guy Jonah. Jonah, God send him, you know one go. So he run. He go there some boat top. The one play Chaskele and sins. Where some storm and sins hopping. Where Charlie, the people for the boat top bog rah. So they say that they can't cast lots. Make them find say who way they here way bad luck they in body so we make the boat the waters they do dancers. This be what then talk. Jonah 1:7. And they said, each one to his fellow, come, let's cast lots, so that we will know because of whom this evil has befallen us. So they cast lots, and the lot fell upon Jonah. And they said to him, tell us now, because of whom has this evil befallen us? What is your work? They asked and say, Charlie, what did they do? And whence do you come? Where they come from? What is your land? And from what people are you? They answer plenty question. Copy answer. And he said to them, I'm a Hebrew. Jonah no talk say he be Jew. Oh. Jonah no talk say he be Christian. He no talk say he be Muslim. He say I be Hebrew. You go see say this word Hebrew, it did the Bible inside plenty. If you take the 5 books of Moses, the Torah, the word Jew no dey inside. I dey tell you, the word Jew no dey inside. The first time they see the word Jew, actually it no be Jew, it be Yehudi. That be the real word for the Hebrew, Yehudi. The first time they see the word Yehudi, then you catch the book of Esther, then times. But they never call Abraham Jew. They never call Moses Jew. They never call Joseph Jew. Jonah say he no be Jew, he no be Christian, he be Muslim. He say he be Hebrew. What be the difference? I tell you, this book, it no be religious book. Somebody way can lie you make a religious. But we go to the bottom of them. More time day. I be Rabbi Akwetey. We go continue. I did for you.